Welcome to another Vinopsis edition with the latest financial updates. Oil is among the losers today, falling close to 1%. Let's turn to Morgan for more of the top stories which are moving the markets.
Out of the 11 sectors in the S&P 500, only 2 ended today's session in the green. Still, the index managed to close up 0.2%, following a period in which certain regions avoided excessive construction during times of low financing and high rental rates. Today's gains were led by the energy sector, which rose an impressive 1.6%, backed by a 0.4% advance for utility stocks. Real estate and consumer discretionary were the worst performers, with losses of 2.4% and 2% respectively. The closing bell rang about 20 minutes ago. Let's turn to our FANGs update. Meta Platforms added 0.4% today, after optimistic commentary by Mizuho Securities analysts. Over the past month, Meta Platforms has gained 6%, compared with a 6% return for the NASDAQ-100. Our proprietary algorithm currently signals a buy recommendation for Meta Platforms, backed by 4 important technical indicators: the parabolic SAR, the OBV, the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. Meta Platforms' shares are enjoying positive long-term momentum, with an 18% return for the past 3 months. Today it climbed 0.4% to $359 after optimistic commentary by Mizuho Securities analysts. Please note that Meta Platforms' pay multiple of 19.8 is expected to contract next year to 17.4, as its profits are forecasted to rise. Notable in the US stock market, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals was one of the NASDAQ-100's best performers today. It is also one of our current buy recommendations. The stock advanced 1.4%, bringing its price to $918. Our recommendation is based on sell signals derived from 4 technical indicators: the Relative Strength Index, the Bollinger Bands, the Stochastic Oscillator, and the ADX. 717 million S&P 500 shares, valued at $65 billion, traded today in New York. The top 5 volume leaders accounted for 24% of the total trading volume. Ford, Bank of America, and Verizon Communications are among the volume leaders. Our trading wizard algorithm is flashing a buy signal for Tesla, which has surged 19% over the past 3 months, showing strong performance. Therefore, we recommend that you consider going long and buy the company shares. Here are the 3 stocks making headlines today. Opening the list is Las Vegas Sands, which surged 4% today, to end at $51.2, as the celebration of a new 10-year gaming concession in Macau and a $1 billion investment in the renovation of the Londoner Macau. The second is Coca-Cola, which climbed 1.4% today, to close at $59.8. In spite of a period of declining performance in 2025, the company is experiencing a rebound attributed to robust sales figures, a reliable history of dividend payments, and a competitive advantage against rival firms. And lastly comes Lam Research, which slid 4% today, to close at $752, following market anticipation of a forthcoming earnings report expected to show a significant decrease in profits and revenue year-over-year, coupled with the company trading at a forward P/E ratio that exceeds the industry average.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed your latest edition. Don't miss out on our coming updates with what you need to know for great portfolio returns.